Haseyo Chaedamin, Dishan Dapni Dao. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today we'll be unboxing my Lip Monthly box for July 2018. All the information about Lip Monthly will be down below in the description box. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm sorry, I look like a mess today. It was a lazy day for me. I washed my hair, so if you see some residue in my hair somewhere, it's just hair gel. So anywho, I digress. Oh, let me show you the bag first. This is what the bag looks like for this month for Lip Monthly. It looks like that there. And then inside here we have a card. The theme for this month is pool party. That's a very cute card right there. My summer's coming to an end. I'll be going back to work really soon. Aw, makes me so sad. But I digress. This is what the back of the card looks like. It tells you everything that we're getting this month. Also, how much everything is. I will keep this here for reference. Let's get started, shall we? First thing is we have something from Be a Bombshell Cosmetics. This is their lipstick. The color that I got is Hollywood. Be a Bombshell lipsticks are $8. I'm very familiar with this brand. I have received things from plenty of beauty boxes from Be a Bombshell, and they have really nice products. They have a nice lip crayon that I really like. Okay, Hollywood is a red color. Look at that. That's pretty. You cannot go wrong with a classic red lipstick. So I'm very happy to get that. Classic red is nice. All right, next thing we have, let me get this back in. All right, next thing we have is this is from Lip Monthly. And this is a lip crayon from Lip Monthly. Lip Monthly now, they have their own makeup line. I believe last month we got a lipstick from them, which is really nice. And this month we're getting a lip crayon. I got color number 1. And this lip crayon is worth $16. And let's see what it looks like. Here we go. And this is the packaging. Looks like that there. And it looks like it's red. So it looks like a red color. Let me pull back some. That's a red color right there. Can you guys see that? It's coming off pinkish or coral on the camera, but it's red. It's a nice little red color. So again, you cannot go wrong with classic red. Sweetness. I like we're getting things from Lip Monthly, the brand itself, because they're pretty nice. Next thing we have in here is what are you? This is a lip liner in the color Nude, and it is by Bella Pierre. It looks like that. It is sealed. I'm not going to open this because it is sealed. Well, maybe I should open it. Hold on. I'll open it and show you the color. But it's a nude color. If I can get it open. It's worth $18 though. I mean, I can get this bloody thing open. Oh, the struggle. But I appreciate Lip Monthly sealing this up. I do appreciate that, so you know that it's not tampered with. But the struggle, y'all, is real, and I don't want to be here all day. Trying to open this up. All right, I think I got it. But while I'm opening this up, like I had said, my summer's almost over. Those that follow me on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook, you guys know what it is that I do for a living, and my summer's coming to an end. It'll be time for me to go back to work. I'm excited yet nervous about it because it's a new position for me that I'm starting, and yeah, I'm excited but nervous. But I've been going to a lot of trainings this summer, so hopefully that training that I'm going to will help me out and help prepare me for this this position. All right, friends. So I got majority of the casing off of it. And that is the nude lip liner right there. And it's one of those that you have to sharpen. Well, it doesn't twist up, okay? You have to sharpen this. Alrighty, so the next thing, or the last thing that I have, and if I didn't tell you that this is worth $18, if I didn't say that already. The last thing is from Estate Cosmetics, and this is a wet matte liquid lipstick in the color Treat. I received something from Estate Cosmetics before. I think I received a liquid lipstick that was nude in color. I think it was nude, and it was really nice. So this is a pretty nice brand as well. This liquid lipstick is worth $10, and this is what it looks like. Let me turn it this way for you so you can see. It's a nude liquid lipstick. It looks like it's a brownie nude. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's a brown nude. And you guys know I like brown nudes. I like pink nudes too, but I like brown nudes more. I think it goes with my skin tone and my complexion more. Alright friends, that's everything that's in my Lip Monthly bag. See, no more. That's it. Alright, let's go ahead and recap, okay? First things first, from Bella Pierre, the nude lip liner. From Lip Monthly, the lipstick crayon in color 01. From Estate Cosmetics, the liquid lip in the color Treat. And then last but not least, from Be a Bombshell, the lipstick bullet in Hollywood. Alright friends, like I said, this is the theme again, pool party. That's everything in my bag for this month. Let me know if you get Lip Monthly, because Lip Monthly, I don't know if everybody gets the same things or not. There is a section on the website where you can customize certain things that you can get. So maybe everybody gets some different things. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't watched anybody else's videos as of yet. So any hoodle doodle poodle. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting closer to that point. Well, I'm at like 780-ish around there. So I still have a little ways to go, but I think I can do it by the end of the year. So there will be a giveaway when I reach 1,000, and I'll let you know what that giveaway will be when I reach that threshold. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Have a fantastic day.
넌 나고 난 나